In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit VAT returns to HMRC in Xero. First things first, we need to get started by opening the Xero website. Once you've logged into your Xero account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is designed to help you manage your business finances efficiently. Navigating from this dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side where you see several options. Here, click on Tax. This section is where all your tax-related activities are centralized, making it easy to manage your VAT and any other tax obligations. After selecting Tax, you'll then proceed to click on Tax Settings. This is your go-to area for configuring anything related to your tax information within Xero. Next, you'll want to click on Manual Tax Rates. The Manual Tax Rates section allows you to customize your tax rates to fit your specific business needs, especially if you're dealing with different rates across products or services. Clicking this option will lead you to the setup page where you can manage existing rates or create new ones. It's time to set up a new tax rate, so go ahead and click on New Tax Rate. This is where you'll need to fill out the essential details for your VAT return submission. Starting with the display name, enter a name that clearly represents this tax rate. This could be something simple yet descriptive, such as Standard VAT Rate to ensure you easily recognize it later. Following that, enter the tax component. The tax component is crucial as it determines the percentage at which this rate will be applied. Make sure this is accurate, as it directly affects your VAT calculations. If your business has multiple components, you can also add another component at this stage. This might be necessary for businesses dealing with compound taxes. After filling out all necessary fields and ensuring all details are correct and complete, the final step is to click Save. By saving your new tax rate, you are telling Xero to use this tax setup in your future transactions and VAT return calculations. And that's it. You've successfully set up a manual tax rate within Xero, a critical part of submitting your VAT returns to HMRC. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your business's tax reporting is accurate, organized, and compliant with HMRC guidelines. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped streamline your VAT submission process in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides.